Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can perform the factory reset of your Libratone headphones. To do this, you have to open the headphones in your Libratone application, then click on the settings. Right now you have to scroll down and select factory reset. Here we can find the base information. As you can see, after the factory reset, we have to remove our headphones from the standard Bluetooth settings. So let's do this right now. Click yes. As you can see right now, our connection disappeared. And right now, to finish this process, we have to go to the settings of the Bluetooth and forget the device. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.